Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Binance. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Binance. After that, we can see right here the different options. But we have to scroll down and then choose this one. It will then direct you here how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Binance. And then right here it says that enable for us to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Binance is to connect the two platforms. To do that, we have to add the Binance wallet address. And then after that, open the crypto.com app. And then click on transfer. After that, withdraw. Click on crypto. After that, tap on external wallet. And then add a new wallet address. Now choose the crypto you want to withdraw. And then go to Binance and fetch the withdrawal address. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.